Hey, today I'm excited to show you a stunning 4-bedroom, 5-bath home in a newer subdivision called Summerland Place in Shakopee. The community offers quiet streets, spacious lots, and a family-friendly atmosphere while still just being minutes from schools, shopping, restaurants, and entertainment. You're also close to trails, parks, and everything Shakopee is known for, with the added bonus of easy access to the Twin Cities for work or weekend outings. I'm Mark Comparato, broker associate with the Call the Comps real estate team at Real Broker, where I work alongside my wife Brittany. We specialize in selling new construction and residential resale homes in and around the suburbs of Minneapolis. After the tour, if you'd like to learn more about the property, schedule a private showing, or just talk about your options as a buyer, you can reach out to us directly. We'd love to help you navigate your home purchase so you can make your next move with confidence.
This home was built in 2022 by Distinctive Design Build, a company with a strong reputation for high quality, energy efficient construction and thoughtful floor plans. They build in some of the most sought after neighborhoods in and around Minneapolis, and their goal is to combine craftsmanship with functionality, something you'll see throughout the tour. This home offers the perfect balance of space, modern features, and the advantages of an almost new build, without the weight or stress of starting from scratch. Currently offered at $550,000, this home is spread across 4 levels, giving you not only generous square footage, but also dedicated spaces for how you live today. Whether it's a growing family, multi-generational living, or simply wanting extra room for guests, hobbies, or entertaining, this layout has the flexibility to make it work. You'll find multiple family rooms, which create inviting spaces to gather, while still leaving plenty of privacy when needed. The main floor also features a versatile flex room, perfect as a home office, study, or even a playroom. So whether you're looking for space to spread out, a nearly new home in a great location, or the craftsmanship of a trusted builder, this property checks all the boxes. I want to remind you, when buying new construction or nearly new homes like this, it's important to have an experienced agent on your side. The builder's agent represents the builder, not you. So having a knowledgeable advocate ensures your best interests are protected. With our background in real estate and hands-on experience with homes, Mark and I guide our clients through every step, from negotiations to inspections to closings, making sure nothing gets overlooked.
hope you enjoyed the tour. When you're ready to make that move, go ahead and give us a call. We can set up a free consultation and get you headed down the right path. I'll see you next tour.